Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing you how I achieved this grungy blue eyeshadow look using only one eyeshadow. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieved this makeup look right here, then just keep watching. To start off, I set my eyes with some concealer and I'm going over that concealer with a powder. This one's by Kat Von D. This is just going to prep the eyes for the eyeshadow. Then I'm going in with my blue eyeshadow and I'm using a flat synthetic brush to apply it, and I'm also applying it with a wet brush. So I really recommend using a wet brush to apply colorful eyeshadows like these. That's just going to allow a really intense color, and it's just going to make the color appear more intense and give a better payoff. Then I'm blending out the edges of that eyeshadow using a fluffy brush, and I'm just blending the edges out into my crease to make the look more smoky. I'm then going back in and going over the eyeshadow with my finger to really intensify the color. Using your finger is really going to allow, the warmth of your finger is really going to allow the color to pop and be more intense. Then I'm going in with a black liner and I'm applying that to my lower and upper lash line. This is going to start to create that grungy look that we're going for. Next, I'm taking that same blue eyeshadow and applying it to my lower lash line, and I'm using a really small precision brush to do this. I'm also applying it to my inner corner, and this is going to really tie in the eyes and make it look very smoky. Next, I'm blending out the edges with a little bit of powder on a bigger fluffy brush to make sure there are no harsh lines and that everything is seamless and blended. Next, I did my foundation, contour, and lashes off camera, but if you're interested in seeing how I achieve this, then let me know in the comments and I can do that for you. But I'm just going over my lashes with some black liner. And this is just going to tie in the black from the lower lash line with the upper lash line. Then I'm going in with a liquid highlight. This one is by Revlon, and I'm just applying it to my temples, my cheeks, my nose, and my Cupid's bow. This is going to act as a base highlight for the powder highlight that I'm going to apply later. For blush, I'm taking this Tarte blush in the shade Party, and I'm applying that to the apples of my cheeks as well as my temples. Then I'm going in with my powdered highlight. This one is by Wet n Wild, and as you can see, it's applying really intense because of that liquid highlight that I applied initially. So it makes such a big difference, and I really recommend this step when doing highlight. I'm going over that highlight with a beauty blender to really make it look more natural and make it melt it into the skin. This is going to make it look as though you're glowing from within rather than having the highlight sit on top. Then I'm going over my lips with a lip liner. This one is a really affordable lip liner by the brand Essence, and it just really kind of creates a base for the lipstick. I'm also filling in my lips with that same color, and it just kind of gives a really nice pink base to the lips. For lipstick, I'm using this grayish nude from Wet n Wild. As you can see, it's really, really nude, but that's what we want because we want the attention to be on the eyes and we don't want to take away from the eyes. I'm going over everything with a lipstick. This one is more of a warm beige color to kind of tie in all the colors together. And that's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Other than that, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.